Following routine phacoemulsification of the nucleus, INA was proceeding in a normal fashion until it just didn't appear normal. I wasn't sure at first if I had an extra flap of cortex and PSC material coming off of the posterior capsule, or if indeed I had caught the capsule and caused a rent. Carefully I removed the remainder of this material, taking time to ensure that the port is nestled within the cortex, and therefore the aspiration and vacuum will be applied to material I want to remove as opposed to vitreous. Notice here the flapping in the breeze as the cortex is finally expelled. In my non-dominant hand, I exchange aqueous for OVD, in this case Provisc, which is what I had on the capsule on the table, and then using additional OVD, I sequester the vitreous face away from the posterior capsular rent. Using Utrata forceps, then I take the discontinuous edge that's visible and tear a continuous edge centrally. The capsular bag is then inflated with additional OVD. The central PSC is gently polished using a terry squeegee, and the undersurface of the anterior capsule is also polished using first a Singer sweep and then subsequently a wrench curette. And here we can notice that there's no vitreous strands up to the main wound, and a routine placement of an intraocular lens is undertaken, with both haptics being placed posterior to the capsular rhexis. Rotating the eye, I can see that there is a continuous edge peripherally, and thus this lens is placed completely within the capsular bag as opposed to an anterior optic capture. And here you can visualize the posterior capsulotomy. Thank you.